Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make a coconut based dry side dish using tender or raw jackfruit. This is called as Gidige Sukke. Since tender jackfruit is available abundantly in market right now, this is a perfect recipe to try during this season. To prepare this recipe, firstly we are going to take a medium sized tender jackfruit. For this recipe, we are going to use 1/4 portion of this. Except for the hard outer layer, the whole tender jackfruit is edible. So we are going to firstly chop it into smaller pieces and later remove the outer layer of it. Since it tends to get sticky when you are chopping a tender jackfruit, it is advisable to apply coconut oil in your palm, fingers and even in the knife. Once you have chopped the tender jackfruit into medium sized pieces, immediately shift them into a vessel full of water to avoid discoloration. Finally, chop the medium sized portions into smaller pieces as shown in the video. Next, take a pressure cooker and transfer the chopped tender jackfruit pieces into it. Add 1 glass of water and pressure cook this in medium to high flame for about 1 whistle. Once your tender jackfruit is cooked well, transfer about 1 to 1.5 cup into a vessel. Now mash them well with the help of a masher or even a spoon or ladle. The rest of the cooked tender jackfruit can be used to prepare Gidige Gesi. The recipe of the same is there in the top right corner of your screen or in the description box. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of urdi dal, half teaspoon of mustard seed and prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, add the previously mashed tender jackfruit into it. Now add salt as per taste. Next, take half cup of grated coconut and into that add 1 teaspoon of coarse dry red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix this well. Transfer the prepared mixture into the kadai and add 1/4 cup of water and mix everything once again. Now close this with a lid and allow this to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes in low to medium flame. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure your sabji is uniformly cooked. Now your delicious and healthy Gidige Sukke is ready. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.